That's a fucking squad.
Right here, fool. Fuck.
Oh, that's a
Thirsty
fucking squad.
bitch. Yeah, why you running?
What do you mean?
Fool, we
There's
got...
a fucking two. Well, fuck that. No, I can't do this shit by myself.
Think you snake that fool's kill? NB Joker? Did you? Oh, okay. Oh, is that? Well, at the mark where on my box, there was a whole squad, bro. I killed and thirsted one, though.
That's why I'm running
This
away.
little nigga, this little fucking bitch ass nigga ran. Yeah.
Hey, I was with you.
No, you weren't.
Bro, I literally shot them with you.
Marked a
They're good,
location.
dude. They're real good.
Yeah, one of them.
Marked a location.
Bro, he just jumped out and was looking like, what the fuck? Hey, don't. He was looking left to right, fool, like, what the fuck? And then just ran in the house. Then he just ran in the house, dick. I think it was that squad that hit me. They ran down, and then that dude heard him, got in the Jeep, and tried to leave. And then you shot at him, and he fucking jumped out, fool.
Marked a location.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, people! There's a squad, bro. There's a squad right behind us. Damn. Right in front of me.
Drop the rock at the other side of the mountain.
No, there's only one more, bro.
No, it's two up. It's two up.
No, bro, they're all fucking knocked. It's only fucking.
Shut up, fool. It's a 1v1. Oh, he's by the Jeep. The truck, I mean.
Monster truck.
I thought I just seen the truck moving.
Retreat to the safe zone!
See, I knew I heard something over there, and I saw something move. I saw something move, bro. That's all I was like. I thought he's thinking the fucking monster truck moving right now, bro. Fucking. All right, guys, I'm done for now.